soil's still very dry. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. If you grow vegetables in containers and pots, I bet this happens to you all the time. You pour your expensive liquid fertilizer into the pot and they leach out very quickly onto the ground. And your expensive liquid fertilizer gets wasted. The roots barely get the chance to absorb the fertilizer. So in today's video, I'm going to give you two simple methods to fertilize your container plants without any waste to save lots of money. Let me show you what happens when you add water or liquid fertilizer onto your container plant. Now 75% of the water has leached out through the drainage hole and the plant barely had any chance to absorb the water or the fertilizer you put in. The soil's still very dry. So the water did not penetrate onto your root ball. It's all leached out. The main reason is the soil is compacted and the water leaches out from the side. So let me show you the two methods that I use so that the fertilizer will soak into your root ball. Now for the first method, you need a big container, something big enough for your pot to go into it. You need your liquid fertilizer and watering can. Now firstly, you want to fill up your big container with plain water, and I'm going to be measuring how much water I put in there by using a 10-litre watering can. So it's very important to measure how much water you put in there. This takes a little bit of patience, but gardening you have to be patient. There is no easy, quick solution in gardening. You want to get better result, you have to take your time. I've added 40 litres of water in this container. That was 4 times this can. Now if you're using a liquid tomato feed, read the label to see how much fertilizer you need to use per litre. So looking at this, I need to use 20 ml for every 4.5 litre. Always shake the bottle first. Make sure you don't use more than what it says on the label. Now once you've added your liquid fertilizer, mix it properly. Just take the root ball out and put it inside the water. Submerge the root ball into the fertilized water. Now I can feel the soil, the root ball has gone heavy. Most of the water has been absorbed by the plant. It doesn't look dry anymore. And then put the plant back in the container. With no wastage. Now if you have big containers like I do, and it's difficult to take the root ball out, this is what you would do. So this one, if I try to take the root ball out, I would damage the plant. The side stems will break. So I simply put the container inside the water. Using a jug, pour water inside the container. Now leave your plant in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm going to let all the water drain down back into the container, and there is no wastage whatsoever. Now let me show you the second method now, which is much easier. Now for the second method, you must use a liquid organic fertilizer, and I'm using organic seaweed fertilizer, and I'm going to use that as a foliar spray. And I use that only when the chili plant is really good for your chili plant, by the way. You can use that on most plant. I normally use it on chili plant when they starts to flower and starts to fruit. Always read the label. Don't use excessive fertilizer. Now it says to use 5 ml for every liter of water as a foliar spray for your mature plant, and you can use that on any garden plants. Now shake the bottle properly. Now you want to spray your plant thoroughly. The best time to spray is late evening or very early morning. Now make sure you're using 100% organic fertilizer for this. Why not use both methods? First method, submerge the root ball in the water. Next week, the following week, in 10 days time, use the foliar spray and you'll have a better result. Don't use both at the same time, and I'm sure you'll get a good result from it, and you'll save yourself plenty of money. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a like, and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.